Hey friends, if you wish to identify a USB 3.0 port on a laptop, then please watch this video. Now the first thing is that you need to know whether you have a port or not. So search for device manager in the window search bar and open the device manager window. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers and you'll find USB 3.1 extendable, USB 3.0 root hub. If you can notice a lot of 3.0s here, that means that a slot exists. But how will you identify that slot? So in many cases, you will find this SS logo along with the USB logo, which means super speed. So why do they call it super speed? Because USB 3.0 is 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Rather, these days we only use USB 2.0 for connecting mouse and printers and peripherals, and USB 3.0 for actual data transfer devices like external hard disks and pen drives. So another symbol is that it is blue in color, and this is the best way to identify it. The blue slot is for USB 3.0, easiest way to identify. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.